Recording in progress.
Good afternoon, all of you. So last explanation about the OL tag, theoretical part is completed. Order list. OL is the main tag, LI is the subtag. So when I said the parent or child or main or subtags, you must follow that order, sir. Otherwise, we are not getting proper outputs. And both are the parent tags and both are the block level tags. And order list is supported the numbering styles. How many types of numbers are? Total 4. HTML supports these 5 models only. Other than these 5 models, HTML not supported. If you are expecting anything, then we need some special settings for those. And now see the example. So OL tag opens and OL tag close. Inside the OL, I'm taking rough data first of all. First, I'm showing the rough data, then I'll go for the proper data. Why the rough data, sir? Just understanding the coding styles, sir. This is the meaning of rough data. First point A, second point is B, and the third point is C. Total 3 points I'm displaying here. 3 points, 3 text. And all these 3 points are displaying with the default numbering style 1, 2, 3, 4. Default numbering style 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll number. And here is the output. This is just a dummy points at 3 points, and every point before we have the 1, 2, 3, 4 numbering. And now I'm removing this, writing the original code. So somebody they have the doubt, I think, sir, you explained the OL tag, LI tag, okay, but we are using these things in our real-time websites and not us, sir. 90% websites they're using this tag. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, sir. 90% of our websites they're using the OLs and ULs. Compared to OL, next to UL tag is comes. That is at 10% of the cases. 100% of websites they're using UL tag. This is 90% of scenario. But we are never seen these things, sir. One small problem is there. But we have the default numbering 1, 2, 3. Some developers, what they are doing, sir, 1, 2, 3 numbering is not interested. Only points are display. Numberings available, you can easy to identify. Numbers not available, what you are feeling. Maybe it's a paragraph, maybe it is a normal text. So it's a points only, sir, but without numbers, they are printing the data. Then only identification problem. But still we can identify. So go for your Flipkart, online shopping, either Flipkart or Amazon, any of the website. This is the Flipkart home page. So go to the very bottom of this page. Starting days of our HTML, we already checked this one, lot of headings and paragraphs available. Go to the bottom of the page. What we have, sir, some links available here, see that. Payments, shopping, cancellation, return policy, terms of usage, etc. available. If we, all these are hyperlinks, observed on? Everything is hyperlinked here. So if I click on the payments link cell, a payments detailed information is comes. What is the Flipkart's payments policy? How many options are available? What are the banks they have the tie up? What is the cancellation policy? Every information detail it is displaying. This is maybe 80% of Flipkart users, I think they don't know these options. Or 20-30% either maybe they have an idea. So comes down, sir. Come down. All these are the headings and paragraphs. We know already. So comes down. This is table. Next week topic. Next week we are going to working with the tables. Next week until 4-5 days after. Comes down. Again table. Comes down. What is this? Points. Next tab. Bulleting styles. Comes down. What is all these things, sir? Bulleting styles. Comes down. Well, again table. EMI table. Comes down. Table. Well, again these are the. I already said UL is mostly used compared to OL. Not only this one, sir. Again, go to the Flipkart. Select any of the product from here. Mobiles. Select one mobile name or one mobile company. If I click on the Realme, sir, but all Realme models are comes with the photos also. Every mobile opposite what we have. Listing all the mobiles here. One picture is there coming. A mobile shape picture. Opposite of the picture, what we have generally. The mobile features. What is the RAM, what is the battery, what is the screen size, what is the ROM and process speeds that is allowed. Those all are again ULs only. Mobile photo, opposite, some features. That all features are the next tag, another list, another list, another list. How can say, sir, bulleting style is available. Observe the gray color. We have the bullet style, but with the gray color. And roughly calculate how many times Flipkart using the OL and UL tags, or roughly calculate how many times the overall Flipkart website using the OL and UL tags. Hundreds of times. Because how many mobiles available? Hundreds of mobiles. So every mobile features are explaining like this. The one single website, your OL and UL tags are using hundreds of times. Now, but overall websites are conformally available. So if anybody you have the doubt, this tag we are using, sir, is it useful for us? Then these are the live situations or live examples. And now I'm going to taking the same thing, sir. But a points available, these points I'm going to display. Data copied from Flipkart, code developed by us. The first point, and this is the second point. Total 4 points. But these 4 points is an explanation about that's question. So the question also I'm printing in H4 format. So how do I make the payments by using the Flipkart credit card EMI option? And the procedure is explained here, the points wise. Reasonable situation, that one. More suitable situation. One task available, a task how to perform the point by point, they explain. Now see the output style like this. So this is the heading come question, sir. This question answer is these 4 points. So by default, 1, 2, 3, 4, we already discussed that one. Next comes to the program. So first order list is completed here. First order list. I'm going to preparing the second order list, one more list. So before going to the another list, a small tag I'm using. This is the first time. HR. The tag name is HR. Simple tags are very simple tags. So separate explanation is not necessary. HR tag used to draw the lines horizontally. One line drawing. Why we are drawing the lines, sir? My first point is completed. Before starting the second point, a line required generally. Maybe now you are not doing the lines, sir, but school days try to remember. First question answer completed, sir. What you are doing generally? Line. Second question answer completed. Again line. First line, line only. So HR is the very simple tag, sir. So separately, I'm not explaining that one. But the information I'm writing here. So this tag used to draw a line horizontally. Simple, very simple meaning. Then it's a paired tag or not a, sir. As per my typing, you can identify that one. Paired or unpaired? Unpaired tag. Single tag I typed here. Closing I'm not given. So separate closing not available means obviously it is a unpaired. Block level tag, inline tag, sir. 100% block level. Reason line you are using for dividing a side by side printing. Line you are using for dividing of the data or printing of the side by side. Dividing. But dividing until you should go for next line compulsory. So that must be the block level tag. So with which color it is drawing a line, sir? Generally gray color it is using, sir. So here is the line from the left edge to the right edge. This is HR tag. I need one more line, sir. Okay. Draw one more HR. I need more lines, sir. Like as when a roll books available. Na? Your interest, how many lines you require, that number of lines you can draw. Okay, but I need only single line, sir. Now, without getting the confusion, I closed the tag also. It says unpaired tag. Just open and closing itself only. So this line drawing especially an intention of dividing my list of items. CSS. You can change the line color. That's not a problem. We have CSS color settings together. So implement the CSS color settings. Next, I'm going to preparing one more list tags. This is the simple list without any special settings or without any special options. In second list, I'm going to applying some options also. So what is your second list, sir? Once again, go to the Flipkart. A list of banks I'm going to displaying here. All they are displaying the list of blanks with bulleting style. I'm going to displaying with the numbering style. Just data changing, sir, reasonable way. So this is the small heading. The following banks supports the Flipkart credit card EMI option. A small heading, this one. Once again, H4. The which banks they support the EMI credit card option, that banks list I'm going to providing here. So once again, OL. LI, the first bank. And OL close. Content ready with a heading and list of nearly 9 banks. But for every bank before 1, 2, 3, 4 serial number is comes as it is. Now we want to apply some settings. This numbering I don't want, sir. I need some different numbering. Yes, 100% possible, sir. Attributes are available. Total we have 5 types of numbers here. System by default it's generating. I need one of these two, sir. By using attributes, you can change the numbering style. So how to change the numbering style of these, sir? With the support of type attribute. With the support of type attribute. Go to the OL tag. Take the type. Which type of numbering you are expecting? Write the type here. I'm expecting some decimal numbers, sir. Write 1. I'm expecting some uppercase alphabets, sir. Write capital A. So first test with 1. Any changes you are expecting? No. Yes, sir. Sir, wake up. No changes, sir, because by default 1, 2, 3, 4 only available. Next, I'm expecting some uppercase alphabets, sir. Type the capital A. Capital A, if you type it, you will get the capital letters. I need some small alphabets, sir. Write the small a. Type equals to small a. And run the program. Small alphabets. I need Roman numbering, sir. Type equals to which Roman number you require, write the type. Small Roman number or capital Roman number. Small Roman numbers are, then write the small I. If you need the small Roman number, type the small I. I need capital Roman numbers, sir. Type equals to capital I. Total 5 models completed, sir. One small awareness point or guideline. You have to type the first digit or first character only. And I need numbering, sir. So I want to type the 10, sir. 100% invalid. I need alphabet, sir. I want to type the H, sir. Invalid. Which series you are expecting? In that series, the first letter only accepted by the system. Middle letters or random letters are not accepted by the system. But if I type the type equals to H, what happens, sir? Wrong specification. Wrong specification. So by default, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will comes. So what is the moral of the story? We can change the number styles into 5 models. But which model you are expecting, in that model, the first character only you have to type. Not any of the character. See that Roman is also I'm testing. What is this? 6, sir. Small 6. But system still displaying 1, 2, 3, 4. Because wrong. So going to this top, sir, once again. There are 5 models available here. In that, as a developer, you must write this first character only. Middle characters, your interested characters are not accepted. That is the moral of the story. Now comes down. Next, another note point. Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4 numberings. We don't have any problem because 1 to infinity numbers are available. You can print any number of points. Roman numbers also no problem. 1 to unlimited numbers available. But alphabets we have problem, sir. How many alphabets we have? Oh, 300 or 400? 26 only. But I want to display the 40 points, sir. Problem comes. Because first 26 points, A to Z letters are comes. But what about the balance points, sir? Alphabet series are repeated. And whenever the AZ is completed, A to Z, next is double A. AA Allu Arjun, AB Allu Bunny, AC Allu Charan, AE AD AE something like that. Same as to మన vehicle registration number processor. Bikes, cars, autos registration numbers available. In that middle two alphabets is there, na? The same series continues. But with this series here also we can print thousands of points. So first to 26 so A to Z over. Still 27th point is there, sir. 27th double A series. AA to AZ. Still I have the points, sir. No problem. BA to BZ and CA to CZ. That is why I did the comparison with our vehicles. Vehicle series like this only, boys especially. Triple A. Triple A. Yeah. To AAZ. Double A to double AZ. Like that. Z series. That also completed, sir. 4 character series continues. 5, 6, 7, like that. So there is no problem in alphabets also. Really it happens, sir. I want to check it. Or try once. A2 I completed already. Same points I'm just copy pasting. 9, 18, 27. Okay, 36. Total 36 banks names I'm displaying. And this is your series formation. 26 completed, sir. This is the 27th point. So got it, the point? Numbers, we don't have these discussions. Alphabets only. So this is the type attribute purpose, sir, to change the numbering style. Next option, sir, reverse. Another attribute is reversed attribute. What is this reverse, sir? But already we executed 6 to 7 times program last 10 minutes. What is our numbering order? Ascending order or descending order? Ascending. But I need the descending order, sir. 1 to 10, no. I need the 10 to A. A to Z I don't want. Z to T I don't want. So if you want to change the order of that numberings, then you can use the reverse. So give the numbers in reverse order. But sorting concepts are that one. Sorting of the data. But data changing us are positions, sir. Data not changing, sir. Points like this fixed. Your 4 points of 40 points are fixed available. Numbers are changing like this. That's all. Points placement not changing. Reason, points placement changing, meanings are going to getting problem. Example, you can observe this one. The third step when I have to perform after completion of the second step only. But if you change these points order, users getting problems or not? 100%. So data we never changed the position. A data in front of that one numberings available. Those numberings only we are changing. Check it once. Actually A to I, but now we got the I to A. Every model supporting. Type 1 reversed, sir. Normally 1 to 9, but now 9 to 1. Roman numbers also supported. Capital I with reversing. All 5 types of numbers, they supported the reverse format. So if you remove the reverse, the data comes in normal format. I mean, numbering style changed. Apply the reverse again. So what it is changing? Your content or content before serial numbers, sir? Serial numbers only it is changing that one. This is one attribute. Later again I'll add it, sir. A few minutes I'm removing that attribute for explanation of the next option. After completion of the third option, then I will implement all 3 at a time. So what is the next option, sir? Start. The next attribute is start. What is the use of this start, sir? To specify the starting number. From where you want to start the serial numbers, a starting point you can decide it. Whenever previous example executions, starting point to A1, no. Alphabets starting point to A, Roman numbers starting point to I. But I want to get the numbers directly from 101, sir. My first number should be start with the 101. Any possibility is there? Right here, start equals to 101. I need numberings, decimal numbers, but the decimal numbers starting should be with 101. If you are not specified the start, this starts with the 1 now. So instead of 101, can I type any number, sir? Your interest, sir. 1 to infinity, any number you can type. No objections. Now say one number. Huh? 99. Starting one 99. Then series continues. Check any other number. Say one more number. Huh? 209. Do number. Huh? So 209. No? This is pattern. Now can I continue this one in alphabets also, no, sir? No problem. Because I already said alphabet series how it is forming. Back to alphabet. Capital A, sir. What is the starting number? 53. I need alphabets, but starting alphabet compulsory 53. Is there any 53 alphabet actually? No, but series repeated? Yes. So, but what is the starting letter? BA. A to Z 26. AA to AAZ 26. 52 completed. So 53 is BA combination. Raghavendra Rao BA. 53rd letter, sir. Next, 26 plus 26 plus 26 plus 26. How much? 426 is how much? 104. So I'm writing 105. What is the series now? DA. A series completed, B series completed, C series. 3 series is completed. First one, individual letters A to Z. So total 4 completed, and this is the 5th one. So alphabets supports the to specify starting point, and as well as Roman numbers are supported, and as well as regular numbers also supported. Now I'm using all these numbers at a time, sir. See that one. 52 starting number A and reversed. Anybody, can you guess the series now? I need alphabets. My starting number 52, but in reverse order. 52 means what? AZ. 52 means AZ. AZ to forward or backward? Backward, because reverse option. So AZ to AY, AX, AW, AV, AU, something like that. Falling down, AZ to falling down. AZ, AY, AX up to AR, Rahman. 50? But you have to adjust this number. And it's not fixed number. With my interest, I've given the 52. So these are the 3 options, sir. Type user to change the numbering style. Start user to specify from where you are starting the serial numbers. And reverse user for changing the order of numbers. Reverse not available, ascending order. Reverse available at descending order. So 3 options we can use at a time. And this is the output of the 3 options. And the next one, One more list I'm going to showing, sir. Once again, HR. What is the next list specialization, sir? Actually, these two are the simple lists, sir. Both the individual and simple list. Now I want to prepare the nested list. The main points, sub points, chances available. Best example, your textbooks index page, sir. Your textbooks index page. Unit 1, no. Chapter 1, no. Chapter 1 inside, topic 1, no. 3 levels available. Main list, sub list, and nested formation. So main points inside, again sub points, a common thing. So how to prepare the nested list, that I'm going to showing now. These are the simple list. So what is the process to create the nested list, sir? Nothing else, sir. OL close. Inside OL, we'll get the LIs. Something data. First outline I'm showing. Again, something data is comes. But how many main points I have, sir? 2 points available. Go to the first point. First point inside sub points I want to display. But what to do, sir? You have to start again OL tag. Nested list. One list inside another list. So every list should be generated with OL tags compulsory. And inside this OL, they have their own items. And that I'm going to using some lines. Symbol changes, sir, for your understandability. 3 points completed, sir. And close the OL. Now these are the 3 points, sir. And where is these 3 points, sir? Location? Under this first main list. These 3 points we placed inside this item. But same repeated for the next item also here. So this is outer list and this is the inner list. Both is becomes as a nested list. In this place, your chapter name available. In this place, blue and yellow color place. And here we have your topics name. Topic 1, topic 2, topic 3. First chapter completed, sir. This is second chapter. Well, again, topic 1, topic 2, and topic 3. This is the formation of the nested list. At the understanding point of view, I said index page of your textbooks. When it comes to our website, sir, main points, sub points, so many cases available, sir. Rules and regulations, so terms and conditions, so privacy, no? Piracy policies, informations, etc. But a main class available. Main class inside, again, sub points also comes. But what you are going to designing, sir? We'll go for some car models, sir. Here I'm going to displaying the manufacturer name: Tata cars, Maruti cars, Hyundai cars, Kia cars. But what is this nested list? Models. But the company names, sir. Every company minimum number of models they are providing. So take that one. But suppose this is Tata cars, sir. Main name. Models names are Tata Nexon, Tata Safari, Tata something, Tata, what is that? Tiago, Tata something, Punch. Models available, that models we have to go for that. So same outline I'm going to continue now. Not only cars, even you can print mobiles also. First heading, Samsung mobiles, a list of models. Vivo mobiles, list of models. Apple mobiles, list of models. Otherwise, your bikes, Bajaj, list of Bajaj. TVS, list of TVS models. So many scenarios we have, sir. Bikes, cars, these all are I'm not interested, sir. I'm fully concentration on the studies only, sir. No extra navigations or etc., sir. Very good. University name or affiliate colleges list. Again, university name or affiliated colleges list. There also we have chance. JNTU HE, list of colleges. JNTU Kakinada, list of colleges. JNTU Anandapuram, list of colleges. So many options are available. So first I'm taking Tata cars, sir, because our Indian product proud to be India. Ah. So it data I content only I'm copying, that's all. After copying the content, I'll show the total score code. So data copying completed, a small alignment. That much of information we doesn't require, sir. Just model name, price enough for us. Small modifications in the data. So outline ready here. I'll just show one small thing. See that one. The actual our list, main list. A small heading also we are providing here. So H4. So list of cars. H4 close is a primary heading, sir. Bottom of that one, we'll get the two headings. One Tata cars, the second one Tata Hyundai cars. And Tata cars inside, we have another subtag, this one. And all these becomes as a subordinates of Tata cars. Like that, these all 5 models comes under the subordinates of the Hyundai cars. Now, if you run this program, the output look like as this one. One first company, second company, and these are the 4 models under this one. but numberings are getting same style, sir. That we can change by using the type operator. That is not matter. A positions of gapping, a spacing properly comes or not, just check that one. Yes, alignment is okay, sir. If you have any concerns available, numbering styles and colors, that's all. Alignment is perfect. Next, I want to add one more small thing for this one. What is this 7.59 price? And dollars are, pounds are, rupees are, paisa sir. Rupees. How to get the rupees symbol? Huh? For printing of rupees symbol, we have the special code. What is the code? Huh? Before hash at the rate. Hash before and hash 8377. Rupees symbol comes. We already discussed it, sir, not first time. There's somebody varietily saying, hey, like this. So long back explanation together, maybe forget or maybe that day absent or something. Now refresh the page. Amount specifications, so rupee symbol compulsory required. At least rupee symbols, if you have no idea, RS symbol required at least. Amounts compulsory represented with the denomination. Otherwise, users getting problem. Because websites not used by Indians only. All over the world, they are accessing your website. But what is the conveying? How the users identifying this is dollars or rupees or pounds or something. Currency denomination compulsory. Okay. The next one. We want to change the numbering models. Main list, I need one type of numbering. Sub list, I need the one type of numbering. Is it necessary, sir? You can say necessary or not necessary. Main list, sub list with the different numberings, necessary or not necessary? Compulsory required. Compulsory, not choice. It's a mandatory. Otherwise, both if you display with the same number, like me, an ordinary user, they're getting confusion. Is main list or sub list like this. So as per the print media guidelines, as per our textbooks, newspapers, magazines, designing guidelines, main list, sub list should be different types. Now go to the sub list, because main list already 1, 2, 3, 4 available. So I don't want to change that one. Is sub list, I want to change it. Which type of number? Roman numbers go for. Better go for the Roman numbers. So get a sub list available, sir. Here I'm changing the model. Type equals to small I. Once refresh, this is. Same changes apply in the second sub list also. Type equals to small I. Both sublists are changed into small Roman numbers. Main list continues with 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, no changes. Next, as a finishing touch, I want to apply some colors also, sir. Yes, recently we completed CSS colors concept. Try to implement that one. So what is the color applying pattern, sir? But company names one color, model names one color. That is one possibility. And all companies names one color it will come. All models names comes in one color. Second scenario, sir, first company models in one color and second company models in another color. Third company models in one color. So this is the two types of designing. Which one? First one is better. Of course, you can go for second one, but 20 companies available at the 20 colors visible like this. Instead of that one, all companies names one color, all models names one color. The uniformity look also comes. Uniform looking also comes. So go to the OL tag, style, equals to color red. I'm going to applying the red color, the main list color, sir. Next is sublist color, style followed by color blue. Well, again red అయితే no user. So main list comes with red color, sublist comes with blue color. Repeat the same code here. All sublist color blue, all main list color red. So check it once. This is pattern. Main list one color, sublist another color. So this is the nested list example, sir. And we also implemented some CSS also. You just implemented two only, sir, colors or something. Rest of CSS you can implement yourself. You know, already we worked in the last 3-4 days also. Try to implement how many CSS settings, you know, implement those all. So the first list tag is over order list. Simple list I prepared, sir. Nested list also I prepared, and we applied some colors, changing of the numbering styles. Next one, UL tag, unorder list. This much of explanation not necessary, sir. Just 5 minutes enough. Reason. Last 50 minutes onwards, what I'm explaining, the same points are repeated. Syntax same, explanation same, points same, just two changes. O replaced with U, OL replaced with UL. That is the change number one. Second change, numbering style change. The rest of points copy and paste. So no need to write again all these points are time waste process. I'm just simplifying here. So example on UL tag, the only change is it supports the bulleting style. UL tag used for bulleting styles. How many bullets is going to supporting, sir? 3 bullets only supported, sir. What are the 3 bullets, sir? AK-47, stun gun, machine gun. So 3 types of bullets are supported. Those is one disc. One bulleting style is called as the disc, is also called as dart. Disc also called as one dot is comes. Second model circle. Third model square. These are the supporting types. That's all. The rest of points just carry forward from your previous explanation. Disc also called as dot. Second one circle. Third one is the square. Square shape is symbol printing, sir. Here circular shape printing with the color filling also. And here circular with a hollow space. The like as one a ring style. Second one ring style. Third one with a filling color. This one is the square shape. If I need other than these symbols, what to do, sir? Go for CSS. I need tick symbols, sir. I need arrow key symbols, sir. I need hand symbols like this, sir. You should go for this CSS. HTML supporting this only. In the syntax, what? That's all. OL replaced with UL. Inside LI tag as is. Default disk only. The first option is the default option, sir. If you are not specified any type, or if you specified any wrong type, then system automatically activated the disk come dot. I'll show the example on this one, sir. But before going to example, a few minutes general information, because daily somebody creating some disturbances or etc. Last 4 or 5 days back, or last week, I already shared the Google Classroom link. Already 3 or 4 times I shared the Google Classroom link, but still somebody, sir, Google Classroom not given, sir. Google Classroom not given, sir. That is not my mistake, sir. I already shared the Google Classroom link, and 900 and plus students, they already joined in the Google Classroom link. Daily, I'm posting the notes also in the Google Classroom link. So my side, 100%, there is no fault. Fault is your side only. Reason, not continuing the session up to end of. You go already, almost 40 students are disconnected already. Stylish and matter. 2:30 joining, 3:30 disconnecting. End of the session, we are not staying. End of the session, what happens? No idea for us, especially online students. So if you stay the full session, what I'm sharing, what I'm giving, you will get an idea. So for your awareness, I'm showing that Google, sir. Somebody there dropping variety messages. Sir, you are not sharing notes, sir. You are not uploading, sir. But what is this all are Bahubali KGF Kartikeya 2 anukunta, I think. I'll show it. Variety messages. Wake up here. Wake up and open the eyes and see. So this is our batch. Daily updates available. Yesterday's program 17, 18, 19. This is before that day 15 and 16. Your course content also I placed here for your reference. In our total course, what are the syllabus is going to covering, a syllabus total document also I placed here. Next to this example 10 to 14. Visibility problem, I see this one. And this is example 6 to 9, example 1 to 5. And this is the HTML notes documentation. From the day 1 onwards, we have the notes in that one. And these are the first 10 sessions videos links. What it is missing? What it is not available? My properties information, my wife details, my kids details missing. That is only. Somebody else without any sense also messages variety. Notes not available in Google. But what is this all are? Chicken biryani, mutton biryani, kaima biryani. So before dropping any message, please check 1 to 2 times. Then drop the message. First 10 days videos links. The HTML theory part. Next 1 week, what we are discussing, that notes available in this document. 100%. Coming 1 week explanations theory part also I already shared. Just click on this document. Day 1, we discussed what is HTML, what is CSS, and what is JavaScript. Next, what is network, internet, history of W3C. Everything is there. And comes down, sir. Client to server, HTML introduction versions, approach. These are the tags information. Structure of the HTML, heading tags, theory part, syntax, body tag, comments, heading tags, paragraph tag, BR tag, HTML entities, label tag, span tag, pre tag, formatting tags, title tag, link tag, attributes information also available. Comes down. Types of attributes. Get a CSS approach available. CSS first approach inline, internal and external. 3 approaches available. Next images nodes. Next hyperlinks nodes. Next colors recently discussed. RGB colors, hexadecimal colors, gradient colors. Next current topic. Comes down. Current topic completed up to this one. In next explanations, field set to legend, division tag, table tag, your upcoming 5 to 6 sessions explanations. What missing, sir? You bolo ji. What not available? My personal details are missing. Huh? Correct kada? That not you. At least daily 20 to 25 students they are dropping this message. Notes varies, notes varies, notes varies. You either hear notes. So before commenting like that, first check the one's Google Classroom link. If it is really not founded, then you can drop that one. But 100% everything is available here. And you can directly access your programs also. You don't need anything. For your convenience, all HTML programs I'm converting into text format. Other batches either directly HTML I'm uploading. Really, I'm talking. Directly HTML if I upload it, sir, view source not visible. For that, you have to do some procedure also. But for you, without that complications also, text file I prepared directly. The source code is clearly visible here. You just copy this one. How to copy it, sir? Select this one, right click a copy and paste into your system. Simple. So in the future, I'm not getting that type of messages, sir, from today onwards, I think. Hmm? Hmm. And next one more also, somebody they suggested one small thing, sir. That's reasonable, but you have already solution. Sir, you are dropping some messages. So some students also dropping messages. So checking and identification is becomes problem, sir. Of course, sir, that is practical problem, but you don't need to get the problem. If you see here, my messages, so other students dropped messages, everything is available like this. So in that scenario, we'll get generally some small complications to scroll. If you want to see Shivakumar posted messages only, you have one option. Click on classwork. Get a second option, classwork is available. Na? If you click on this one, what are the things I posted? Those only visible to you. Your classmates, your co-students posted messages 100% not visible to you. Just click on the classmates. Check it. Now what we have here? Only my postings only. Yeah? Example 1 to 5, example 6 to 9, example 10 to 14, 15 to 16, 17 to 19. So for time saving operations, you can use this. And without posting the messages, students, we can't stop it, Amma, because somebody, they have the queries, questions, doubts, a common thing. But you want to see my own messages only, just select the classwork. So I think all questions cleared. Once again, I'm going to sharing the Google Classroom code. This is the Google Classroom code. Now, today also I received the message. Please share the Google, please share. So this is the Google Classroom code for online and offline, both students, same code. Link required, I'll paste in the link in chat box, sir. If anybody you need the link, just I'm dropping in the chat box, check it. Videos, not my concept, and I said that sir, last 2 days onwards, I am saying videos related information. Huh? For this candidate only, I said, Mr. Saurabh, I already informed to you in the yesterday and before yesterday also. Videos, so please contact your batch admin. And I already said, sir, recorded videos, so not sharing. From the day one onwards, I'm announcing that one. I think you forget maybe. Recorded videos or not sharing, please consider that one. If you have any concerns, please contact your batch admin. Why the middle of the session I'm explaining, and already 3 o'clock touching other one by one. End of the session, I'm sharing all these details. Well, in next day, sir. Now back to examples. Separate example also we don't need, sir. Last example, I'm just going to copy pasting for time saving operation. So demo on bulleting. The OL is a well that I'm replacing with the UL. That's all. No additional changes. Just change the tag name. At OL, I just replaced it with the UL. Save the program and run it. This is. That is the default symbol disk, also called as dot. If I want to change the symbol style, sir, we have to use the same attribute to type. Type equals to disk, type equals to circle, type equals to square. Same attribute, type all. I'll show it, wait. Maybe somebody there feeling same program we copy pasted, sir. We need different examples, sir. Half an hour back, we observed the Flipkart, sir. Mobile opposite features. Mobile features I'm going to display now. Mobile features I'm going to display. Features before image also required, sir. That much of knowledge we are not gained, sir. The future concept. In mobile image, opposite points are required. Future explanations also needed. Right now, I'm going to copy pasting these points. Flipkart to how it is displaying the features of mobiles. I'm also trying to display similar style. H4, your mobile name. So LI tag. UL close. Of 5 points I displayed, sir. All these are the features of this Realme C31 model. Now go and check it once. This is data changed, that's all. If you observe it carefully, here printing style, our printing style, both are same, but the color is different. They use it the gray color and we use it the black color. Can I print the gray color as a change the color? Apply the CSS and change the color, you also getting similar style. But exact if I want to design it, sir, you have to wait another 3 days or 4 days. Coming 3 days, 4 days, we are discussing some of the concepts related to like this. So after that, we can design in the same pattern also. Photo opposite points. Next, how to change the type of that one, sir. So type equals to dot, that is the default option. Type equals to dot, it's a default option. Next one, type equals to circle. This is circle. With filling color, without filling the color, that's all. Next to type equals to square. Type equals to square. This is square. 3 symbols. Dot, circle, square. 3 I shown. Observed, huh? No doubt. So what is the difference between the OL and UL? Both are used for points only, but a pointing style is different. In the rest of all the things, same to same, sir, similar things. But what about the nested list, sir? A nested list also I'm preparing, sir. Previous code I'm just copy pasting. Nested list also I'm just copy pasting. OLs I'm replacing with the ULs. All OLs I'm just replacing with the ULs. I'll remove it. First tag name changed, sir. OL replaced with UL. Next, it type not necessary, sir. You can remove the type. No need of the type. But what about the main list and sublist, sir? Bulleting style, one advantage what, sir? And main list displaying with the separate symbol, sublist displaying with separate symbol automatically. Two types of list is comes always with the two different symbols. So we don't need separate coding. Check it. This is main list comes with the dot, sublist comes with the circle. If I want to change it, sir, you have total 3 models, right? In that already 2 used. What we have an option? 1. You can change it, no problem, but you don't have the huge amount of options. You have the only option 1 now. But still you can change, that's not a problem. So order list, unordered list, one small difference in the output here. Order list is displaying the main and sublist with both same numbering only, but bulleting styles is displaying with the different bullets automatically. If you don't like that symbols, use the type option. The type option. Next, the last conclusion, sir. We designed the order list separate program, unordered list separate program. Means OLs separate to UL separate. Can I combine the OL and UL, sir? Your choice, 100%. So see this one. This is OL tag. OL tag inside, LI tag is available here. And close the OL tag. This is. But OL inside, I want to use the UL tag, sir. 100% possible, sir. So go to the first point, start the UL here. Combinations possible or not, I'm going to showing here, nothing else. This is the coding style. So this is a nested list. What is the main list? Numbering style. What is the sublist, sir? Bulleting style. Main list is totally numbering. Sublist all are the bulleting styles. So OL inside, UL I used. Reverse combination possible, sir? Yes, that also possible. Copy paste the same code once again. Main tag take as a U, sub tag you can take as a O. And what is this combination, sir? UL inside OL. Means bulleting inside numbering style. And first one is numbering inside bulleting style. So 100% combinations possible, no problem. Sir, my code is available here. Copy paste this code. Same code, copy paste it. First use UL. Next use OL. Next sometimes OL, sometimes UL. Blindly type it, no problem. Just close the eyes and type it. And we can type randomly also, no, sir. 100% possible. For every line of code, browser trying to produce the output, you are never getting the errors, that we know very well. So next, CSS continuation, sir. But listed tags completed in HTML point of view discussion. But these listed tags related CSS concepts I am going to explain. Coming all the topics like that only. HTML explanation, end of that one, CSS implementation. But the same OL concept to UL concepts, so can I do in the CSS also? No, sir. 100% possible, and you will get some extra models also. Already 5 types of numbering, 3 types of bulletings available. If you take the support of CSS, we'll get extra number styles, extra bulleting styles also. CSS list. Remember what I am explaining here. OL, UL both completed. but both we discussed purely in HTML version only. But now the same tags I'm going to explaining in the CSS version also. The my side version discussion conversation over, now your side argument, like that. If I want to specify the CSS list, we have to use a special properties. CSS is always providing the properties only. UL tag reverse option useful. What about user? We are printing the bullet style. In this one, reverse option useful or not? Huh? Possible, first of all, 100% wrong combination. Kada? Because bullets, if you print like that, if you print like that, appearance is same only, no difference. So list hyphen style hyphen type. This is the one of the CSS properties, sir. List hyphen type, style hyphen type. What is the purpose of this one, sir? This property used to specify, this property used to specify bulleting style